Hey guys, it's Cece and CeeMyCurlz. And y'all, I did it. I did my braid. I am so happy with how this look turned out. And I'm here going to show you guys how I did it. It's a super quick and easy hairstyle. And let's go ahead and get right into this tutorial. Make sure you like the video. So I look rough. I look so rough, but we about to fix it. So I did test out this hairstyle yesterday, so I am starting on like an old ponytail. But once I got that ponytail out, I'm just going to start brushing my hair and smoothing it down. I do know that my hair didn't get as smooth as like some girls who I've seen do it. I didn't have the little I want to say they're like wrapping things. They're like a foam kind of wrap paper that's supposed to really lay down your hair. So when I do this style again, I'm going to make sure I have those stuff. But right now I'm just re-wetting my hair because like I said, I did this style yesterday. So I already have product on my hair, and to prevent product buildup, I want to see what's like still left on my hair that my hair hasn't absorbed yet. So once I've brushed that water in and I've reactivated some of the product from the other day, I'm going to go ahead and make my ponytail. I'm just going to go ahead and re-smooth my edges one more time. Make sure the top is as flat as possible, because thick hair problems, it is hard, not even thick hair problems, it's just hard to get a really smooth ponytail, but especially when your hair is thick. Like, it's so hard, guys. So I just went as close as I could because I was in a rush today. I didn't have time to do the two ponytails into one method. So that is the ponytail I have. And like I said, like, it isn't completely like crisp and perfect, but it's still super cute. So once I got my ponytail in, we're gonna start smoothing out these edges. I applied for my edge booster gel and I'm just slowly smoothing out my edges. I don't do the whole laid edges thing, one, because I'll be real, I don't know how to swoop my edges completely perfectly yet. I'm practicing, but it's not something that I'm like confident doing. So I just do like basic, really like slight swoops, just because I don't got the time to just be sitting here trying to swoop all day and night. So you guys will see I keep on smoothing, and now I'm just swooping my edges a little bit. And I swooped with the brush, so that's how you know I was in a rush. I didn't even pull out my edge brush. I'm swooping with my brush. So I'm swooping and swooping, and then once I get it like to the desired at least look that I want, I'm going to then go in with some foam. But I'm going to quickly just show you guys the products I'm using. So I got my ORS foam, of course. If I show it already, here it is. And then I also am using Edge Booster and Eco Styler. So we're going to go ahead and put on my mousse, because the mousse is supposed to help the hair lay down even more. And like I said, like, I wish I had that little wrapping paper and not my silk scarf, because I feel like my edges would have looked better and my hair would have laid down so much better, but that's just a learning curve. So once I've laid everything down, we put on our scarf, our silk scarf, not just any old scarf, guys. And if you have those wrapping papers, use them. It's going to make your hair look super good. So now, if you don't have thick hair or as long of a hair as me, I would say go ahead and just make your little bun. But because, like I said, I tested this out yesterday and my bun was pretty big yesterday, so I wanted a smaller bun for the like whole braid blend kind of thing. So I'm going to first put my hair into 3 twists, and then I'm going to put it in a bun, because then the bun will be smaller, and it'll make the braid look a little bit more natural, like it's coming out of my head and not just like an attached ponytail kind of look. So now you guys see I'm just making the I keep on saying bun wrong. I'm making the bun with my twist, and once I finish that, I'm going to then apply the braiding hair. So I got kink on hair. I have the Expressions braiding hair. It was like 80 inches. I cut it. That thing was down to my butt, and I was not having it. Like, that girl was not lying when she said it'll be down to your butt. So now you want to kind of like flip it over your bun to see how it's going to lay, to make sure that it covers your actual hair. And then I'm kind of pinning a few pieces, but not the whole thing, just like the pieces on the side. And then I start my braid. And after I finish my braid, then I will finish pinning up the hair and making sure that my actual hair is covered with the Kankalon hair. So yeah, just braid it all the way down, and I try to keep my braid tight. If you know the difference, I'm braiding outwards, and that's how I get the outward kind of look, kind of like a cornrowed box braid kind of look. And once I get to the end, I just put a rubber band at the end. And then I also want to make sure the end doesn't look crusty. So I'm going to look and see if I have any straggly pieces, and then I'm going to snip off those stragglies so it looks pretty even. And now I'm just going to perfect the top, make sure that my hair is as covered as possible. This part was kind of hard to tell because I was just going based off of how it felt. If I could feel my hair, I couldn't really see if my hair was showing. So that's one thing I'll say, but for the most part, this hairstyle is so easy, guys. Like, once you get your pins in, it's super freaking cute. Like, if you have a photo shoot, or if you just need a quick date look or a family look, this is the look for you. It took me less than 10 minutes, and there it is. Hey y'all, so I really wanted to do this look and I love it. I've done this twice. I did it yesterday just to I tried recording yesterday, it didn't turn out the way. It didn't turn out perfect. Today it's perfect. Like, the braid looks great because yesterday the braid was a little fuzzy, so I redid the braid. The bun's a lot smaller. If you have as much hair as me and your hair isn't in a curly state, like it's stretched like mine was, you have about as much hair as me, I suggest twisting and then making your bun like I did, because when I did it yesterday and I just made a bun with just my hair without twisting, the bun was too big and I didn't really like how big this part looked. And today it looks a lot more laid down. I obviously can't see the top completely, so I hope it covered all of my actual hair, but this was super easy. This hair, I have a Beauty For You card, so I got this hair because I had some money left over. I got this hair for like $2, but it's $5 without a discount. Not bad at all. I got the 80-inch hair. I cut it yesterday because that thing was down to my butt. I'm like, I'm not doing a braid this long. So yeah, but that is the tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. This is gonna be perfect for my Thanksgiving look. I'm so excited. I wanted to do a Thanksgiving video. I'm so busy right now, guys. So you'll just have to bear with me because Vlogmas is going to be lit. I'm working hard on it, and that's why I couldn't do the Thanksgiving look, but it will all be worth it. I will definitely make sure you have a Christmas look, so don't worry. But make sure you guys have already liked this video. I hope you guys really like this look. I hope you guys do it because it's super easy. I'm able to stretch out my wash day because I haven't washed my hair this week because my hair was in a perm rock set, so it wasn't even really that dirty, and I had just been wearing it in ponytails after I brushed it out. So that's why I was like, let me just go ahead and try this braid, and I just gotta say it once, and not the braid, the braid. I've been saying that all day. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys are subscribed to my channel. I hope you guys have already followed me on Instagram, because if you don't, you are missing out, because Instagram knew that I wanted to do this hairstyle. So go ahead and make sure you're on Instagram so that you can help me choose my hairstyles. And my Instagram is CeeMyCurlz with 2 Z's, 2 of these Z's. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a great Thanksgiving and stay blessed. Bye.